Construction businesses face many ongoing challenges, such as overseeing multiple projects, overseeing budgets and cash flow, and processing numerous financial transactions. Introducing Sage Intacct Construction, the ideal solution for any business in the construction vertical. This is a true cloud accounting system from Sage that can help assist you in every aspect of your business. In this video, we will explain how Sage Intacct Construction can assist you with every step of a construction project, as well as how it can help to simplify and streamline your processes at every stage. So let's begin and see how Sage Intacct Construction could help you on every step of the journey. Compliance with reporting can often pose a challenge for construction industries, as they need to comply with Making Tax Digital (MTD), and they may need to comply with Construction Industry Scheme (CIS). Sage Intacct Construction makes compliance easy and fast with pre-built financial statements and reports. Solutions for Accounting have also built an add-on that is available in the Sage Intacct Marketplace that specifically helps with compliance for CIS. Offline systems can mean that you don't have access to the data that you need when you need it. Sage Intacct Construction offers real-time data even across multiple entities, so you always have the information that you need at hand. Since Sage Intacct Construction is a true cloud product, you can also access the system from anywhere, at any time, on any device to ensure you maintain control. Sage Intacct Construction also boasts customizable dashboards and reports. This allows you to set up the data in a way that best suits you and your business, and easily get access to vital reports about the things that are important. As your business runs construction projects, you need to ensure that you stay in control and make sure that work is progressing. It's important to avoid being held up by unforeseen roadblocks. Sage Intacct Construction lets you automate and simplify certain time-consuming tasks, giving you more time to focus on the things that are important. Automating processes such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, and bank reconciliations can save you time and speeds up what can be lengthy work. Automation also means you can reduce the amount of manual data re-entry that is required, which could lead to mistakes down the line. Sage Intacct Construction should help you to smooth and streamline these processes. Keeping on top of financials is a vital task, but it can be difficult within the world of construction, with multiple projects, each of them dealing with different aspects. Thankfully, with Sage Intacct Construction, you can streamline your financial transactions and keep budgeting in check. You can set up automatic spend validation to make the process easier, and you can set up rules that would deny transactions that would exceed budgets, or you can set warnings about them. Every project your business works on is a journey, and you need to know that you are in full control from the first stop to the last. Sage Intacct Construction offers you visibility and control at every step of your journey, as well as making it faster and with fewer bumps along the way. If you are interested in learning more about Sage Intacct Construction, please use the links in the description or get in contact with our experts by emailing us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or calling us on 0115 840 5075.